Okay, in this video, let's talk about this adapter that you see here, or this hole saw for electrical boxes. So I'm going to show you a little bit closer. So this is the tool that you will see. Here you can get them on Home Depot as well. They charge you 3 arms and 5 legs. And if you want to install, for instance, again, electrical boxes with this, that will help you a lot. So I'll show you closely so that way you can see this. So let's try to take this zoom out a little bit so that way you can see better. So basically you're going to need a multi-tool, as you can see here, and usually you have a few options. Option number 1, you can use a blade, just a regular blade, you know, you put it just here, and that's it. And then you can start making the hole in the wall, so that way you can install the electrical box, and that's it. It works, but it's kind of slow, so that is why I said, okay, I'm going to buy the other one. So basically you have to remove this, and then you put this or the other one in place. So basically you have the hole here, and then you put it like that here, make sure that it's in place, and then you release the locking mechanism that you have here, and that's it. So that is how it works. So basically you're going to put this on the wall, you're going to make the hole, and that's it. I'm going to show you in a video so that way you can see this a little bit closer. So basically here you have this, and if you put it in the wall and you press the button, and that's it. So basically this will be the end result. So you're going to use this, and then you have that. So I'll show you here, for instance, as you can see, I found this guy, he has it already, so I don't have a drywall here next to me, but at least you're going to see how it works. And as you can see, it works, that's it. And after that you can put the electrical box, there you go, put it there, close it, run the wires, that's it. Very, very simple. So it is up to you. So if you want to buy it on Temu, they have it, you know, like I showed you before, for very little. So it's $4. Or if you want to buy it on Home Depot, I don't know why they charge you like 6 times, 10 times more for the same product. And I don't see the difference, but this will help you a lot if you have to do any type of you know, repair, new installation or something like this. This is the multi-tool that I have. So basically you use this or the other. This, push it, in a few seconds you have it. Otherwise, if you have this, you can use the other one. Hopefully this video was useful. If you have any question, please let me know, section below, and see you next time.